In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image behind a header on Wix. If you are using the classic Wix editor and your current header style doesn't let you place a background image directly inside the header area, this simple workaround can help you get the look you want. The idea is to place a strip behind the header, give that strip an image background, and then make the header itself transparent so the image shows through cleanly. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go over to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. From there, find the strip option and choose a blank strip. Drag that blank strip onto your page. Now, place the strip directly behind your header area. You will want to move it upward until it sits in the same visual space as the header. Take your time here and line it up carefully so it covers the full width you want behind the menu and header content. This step is important because the strip is going to act as the visual background for the header. Once the strip is in position, click on it and select Change Background. Then choose Image. At this point, you can upload your own image or pick one from the available stock images. After selecting the image you want, confirm it so the strip background updates. Try to choose an image that still allows your header text and navigation to remain easy to read. Clean, not overly busy images usually work best for this kind of design. Next, make sure your actual header content stays visible above the image. Right-click on the header, hover over Arrange and then click Bring to Front. This ensures that your logo, menu, and any header text appear above the strip instead of getting hidden behind it. After that, select the header itself and open the three-dot menu. Choose Change Header Design. In the design settings, look for fill color and opacity, and set the background to 0 so it becomes fully transparent. This is what allows the image from the strip behind it to show through, creating the effect of a header background image even if your theme doesn't support it directly. Once you've done that, preview your site and check that everything looks aligned and readable. If needed, slightly adjust the strip placement or choose a different image for better contrast. That's it. Thanks for watching.